All those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found with you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me go. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw welcome my little sister, Lynette. Because you love me. Wag naman may pag-ganon. Araneta! Kaya pala kayo sumisigaw. I'd like to introduce to you my family. My baby sister forever, of course, Lynel. My mommy Lynn. And of course, my daddy Lindron. Maraming salamat sa pagsurpresa sa akin. Kitang-kita nyo naman po, hindi ko in-expect. Pero, thank you so much for everything that you have done for me. I love you guys so much. And, yeah. Wala na. I don't know what to say anymore. Thank you.
Kuya. Wait, my makeup. Oh my god. This took a long time to do, guys. Anyways, Kuya, I'm so proud of you. I hope this is waterproof. When I was sitting here and I was watching you perform your first few songs, like your prod, I remember I almost cried. That's why if anyone saw me, I was like, I was just looking up. I was trying not to